10 UK towns even locals quietly avoid. You don't hear these places being recommended in conversations, and that silence says everything. Across the UK, there are towns people move away from quietly, places where even locals sometimes admit it's not where I'd choose to stay long term. This isn't about tearing towns down. It's about reputation, lived experience, and the small details that shape how a place feels day to day. Some are rebuilding, some are misunderstood, and others carry visible scars from the past. But one of them stands above the rest. This is 10 UK towns even locals quietly avoid. 10. Skelmersdale, England. Skelmersdale doesn't feel like most towns, and that's exactly why it often appears in conversations like this. Built as a new town in the 1960s, it was designed around cars rather than people, leaving behind a layout that feels more like a road system than a community. There's no traditional high street pulling everything together. Instead, you get roundabouts, underpasses, and scattered shopping areas that never quite create a central buzz. Walk through parts of it, and the silence feels different, less peaceful, more disconnected. That said, some areas are improving, and experiences vary depending on where you are. But for many, it lacks the character people expect from a UK town. And further down this list, the issues become much harder to ignore. 9. Boston, England. Boston looks historic, and in many ways it is. Its famous church tower rises above the town, and there's a long-standing market tradition that still continues today. But behind that traditional image, Boston has gone through major changes. Population shifts, economic pressure, and evolving local industries have created a town that feels like it's constantly adjusting. Walk through the centre and you'll see contrasts. Busy shops next to empty ones, lively streets alongside quieter corners that feel overlooked. It's not a place without life, but it's also not as stable as it once was. Many residents continue to live here comfortably, but some quietly choose to move elsewhere when opportunities arise. And the next town reveals a very different kind of challenge. 8. Barrow-in-Furness, England. Barrow-in-Furness is a town shaped by industry and geography. Surrounded by water and located far from major cities, it carries a sense of isolation that you feel almost immediately. Its shipbuilding heritage is still strong, and there are stable jobs linked to that industry. But outside of that, opportunities can feel limited, especially for younger residents. The weather adds to the atmosphere. Wind sweeping in from the Irish Sea, grey skies that seem to stretch for days. Some parts of the town feel well maintained, while others show signs of long-term wear. There's pride here, no doubt about it. But for many people looking for variety or connectivity, it's not an easy place to settle. And the next town is one that people often debate. 7. Luton, England. Luton is busy, fast-moving, and constantly changing. Located close to London, it offers strong transport links and a major airport that keeps the town active at all hours. But that activity comes with pressure. Housing demand is high, traffic is heavy, and the town centre can feel crowded and stretched. There are areas undergoing regeneration, and many people build successful lives here. Experiences vary widely depending on where you are in the town. Still, Luton has developed a reputation that doesn't always reflect its full reality. Some people see opportunity, others see stress, and that divide is what keeps it on lists like this. But what comes next feels far more visibly affected by time. 6. Blackpool, England. Blackpool is famous, but not always for the reasons it once was. Known for its bright lights, seaside attractions, and historic entertainment scene, it used to be one of the UK's most popular holiday destinations. Today, it still attracts visitors, especially during peak seasons. But step away from the main promenade and you'll find areas that feel very different. Some streets show clear signs of economic struggle, empty buildings, ageing housing, and businesses trying to survive outside the tourist season. There are regeneration efforts underway and parts of the town are improving, but the contrast between its iconic image and everyday reality is hard to ignore. And deeper inland, another town carries a similar weight. 5. Stoke-on-Trent, England. Stoke-on-Trent was once the heart of the UK's pottery industry. For decades, it thrived on manufacturing, with entire communities built around factories. But as those industries declined, the town changed. Today, you can still see its history everywhere: kilns, terraced houses, and industrial buildings that tell the story of what once was. Some areas are being revitalised, with new developments and investments slowly reshaping the town. But others remain quieter, with fewer opportunities than before. There's a strong sense of identity here, and many residents are deeply connected to the town. Still, some choose to leave in search of more options elsewhere. And now we move to a place where that sense of loss feels even stronger. 4. Grimsby, England. Grimsby once stood as one of the busiest fishing ports in the world. The docks were alive with activity, and the town had a clear economic purpose. Today, it's a place in transition. The fishing industry is no longer what it once was, and that change has left a lasting impact. Walk through certain areas and you'll see both effort and struggle. New developments alongside buildings that feel frozen in time. Some parts of the town are improving, while others still face challenges. There's honesty among locals about the town's situation. It's not without progress, but it's also not without difficulty. And the next town reflects that same pattern on a larger scale. 3. Middlesbrough, England. Middlesbrough grew rapidly during the industrial era, becoming a key centre for steel and heavy industry. But when those industries declined, the town had to adapt quickly. Today, that transition is still ongoing. Some neighbourhoods face economic challenges, and parts of the town centre can feel quieter than expected. At the same time, there are clear signs of change: university expansion, redevelopment projects, and new businesses beginning to take root. It's a town of contrasts. Some areas are improving, others are still catching up. Many residents remain proud of where they're from, but some quietly move away for different opportunities. And now, we reach a town that surprises many people. 2. Slough, England. Slough has one of the strongest economic positions on this list. It sits just outside London, with excellent transport links and access to major employment opportunities. But despite that, its reputation tells a different story. Parts of the town feel highly functional rather than inviting. Industrial estates, busy roads, and areas lacking a traditional town centre atmosphere. It's a place built for work, not always for lifestyle. There are modern developments and ongoing improvements, and many people succeed here professionally. But when it comes to where people want to live, Slough often gets overlooked. It's not about a lack of opportunity, it's about how the place feels. And that feeling is what brings us to the final entry. 1. Burnley, England. Burnley is a town with deep industrial roots, once thriving on the textile industry. But like many towns tied to manufacturing, it faced significant challenges when those industries declined. Today, you'll find a mix of regeneration and struggle. Some areas have seen investment and improvement, while others still deal with limited opportunities and economic pressure. Walk through parts of the town and you'll notice the contrast. Well-kept streets next to areas that feel left behind. There's a strong community spirit, but also a quiet sense of frustration among some residents. Experiences vary depending on where you are, and many people continue to live here happily. But for others, it's a place they eventually choose to leave. And that combination, history, challenge, and perception, is what places Burnley at number 1 on this list of 10 UK towns even locals quietly avoid. Every town carries more than one story, and none of these places are defined by a single narrative. Still, reputation shapes decisions in powerful ways. The 10 UK towns even locals quietly avoid reveal something deeper, not just where people live, but where they quietly choose to move on from over time. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.